Hi, it's Mike. I managed to be able to slip away for a little overnight hike. I'm at Belton Lake outdoor recreational area. I'm going to be checking out one of their trails and camping out in one of their areas. We're going to see what it's like. All right. Thanks for watching. Let's see where we go. So looking like this trail is actually meant for mountain bikers, but I've heard good things about hiking it. And let's see, we got a choice between a novice, intermediate, and advanced. I think we'll give it a shot and go with the red trail. All right. So, yeah, so far so good. Trail seems nice. Kind of surprised by the amount of cactus I'm seeing, but, kind of cool. Thing about Laura that I like so much is, especially with me working in Fort Hood and living in Killeen, it's right here. Just had my first on-trail tumble. I was a little too busy reviewing the footage from the last shot I set up as I was walking, stepped on a rock wrong, ended up landing on my face. Got kind of a field of cactus coming up here. This would be a bad place to trip and fall. Not really hiking with the destination in mind, just kind of enjoying being out here. So it's like there's a summit to reach. I guess it's more about the journey than the destination. All right, now we're switching to the red trail, which I believe is the more advanced. As it gets a little rockier, I might have to put the camera away. And I already kind of had a little wipeout once and ended up on my knees, but that's okay. Wow, I can't picture taking a mountain bike down this, but hey, God bless them. I'm a little surprised. This trail is a lot more technical than I really anticipated. It makes for great hiking, but maybe not the greatest filming, because the more I focus on the phone and shooting video, the more likely I trip myself up. So I'm going to put the camera away for a little while and pick up a little later. All right. Trail suddenly got a lot smoother. I think we're kind of towards the tail end. I'm not sure how much distance I did. Feels like 5-6 miles, but a big part of it was, we'll call it technical, steep and rocky, which actually surprises me for this area of Texas, but is a pleasant surprise. I enjoyed it quite a bit. So I think the hike portion of this overnighter is probably drawing to a close. See if we can finish up this trail, and then I'll try and find some place to set up camp. All right. Got the tent up. All right, chili mac for dinner. Let's see how it came out. This is a Mountain House. Not bad at all. Dinner is served. So today is November 11th, Veterans Day. On the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month, the guns of World War I went silent, and a year later they commemorated it by naming it Armistice Day, and they were celebrating the veterans of World War I. Subsequently, they changed it to Veterans Day, honoring and celebrating all veterans that served. What's kind of interesting is, at the time, when they were looking at the horrors of the First World War, they called it the Great War. They called it the war to end all wars. And I think there was a belief that humanity, having seen such carnage and destruction, would never make war on that scale again. And yet, I think people being people, humanity being humanity, wars have continued. World War II, Korea, Vietnam, Afghanistan, Iraq, and the continuing war on terror. Usually on Veterans Day, a lot of communities, they gather and have parades honoring their veterans. I think this particular year, because of COVID, you probably won't see, as many gatherings, as many parades and stuff like that. So here's my thought. Let's have a bit of a parade in the comments. If you served, by all means, shout out, and I'll do my best to recognize you. If you want to honor somebody in your family who served, whether it be a father, an uncle, a grandfather, a mother, a sister, a brother, by all means, you can mention them. I'd say let's leave names out, to maintain privacy, but just take a moment to honor them. I'm currently serving active duty in the United States Army. Served since 1999 to present, getting ready to retire. I'd like to honor my dad, who served during the Korean War, some uncles who served during the Vietnam War, and a grandfather who served in World War I. So go ahead and in the comments, if you want to honor somebody, if you want to just say Happy Veterans Day, great. And let's see where it goes. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'm going to finish my breakfast and then pack up camp and then call this hike to an end. Please like, subscribe, and comment. All right. Thank you.